That's different.
What?
How it went through stability check and stuff.
You own it.
No, no.
Yes, you are. You want to try again?
I wasn't on it.
Try again?
Yeah. Oh, dang. I don't know how long I've been under there. Oh, hey, what's up, y'all? Oh, yeah. Okay. Whew. Well, I don't know if y'all noticed, but something's missing. And it's right there. And I don't know if you guys are interested or wonder why I'm stuck underneath this hood and why that's not in here. If you like, share, subscribe, and especially if you comment so I can get back with you guys, man, you can find out what's going on with this project over here with her second V. See you later, guys. I know. I asked him, and he was like, oh, I got to go back there and clean up some stuff. Hey, it's a good thing that I got a friend that got a storage right over there and right next to mine. And he got a tow truck. Let me get out the way because this is trying to come in. Well, yeah, guys. A good way to start off the video is we're going to move that into his shop. And you'll see why we're about to do that. But let me make sure we get my trailer moving. Hold on, Justin. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Make sure it ain't gonna hit right here. Just pull it in. Just put it in front of the gate.
Yeah, I'm gonna just put it in front of the gate.
Yeah, and we'll move it back later. Ah, this is nice to have. Get a whole tow truck to my disposal. Well, we got it up on here now. It wasn't even that bad. It was worse trying to get it off with the damn trailer. But this is the way we should have done it in the first place. But hey, you know, I live and I learned my lesson. But let's get it over. This old goofball here. Oh Lord Jesus. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. So this is where we're gonna put it. Right in here. After a little adjusting, we got this bad boy in here. So now we just gotta get it right here, but we gotta move a couple things like this stuff to get it in here. So let's see. Well, we got it off of this bad boy. Now it's time to actually start working on this thing. Well, the little sensor for the fuel pump and the tow truck decided they wanted to have some problems, so now I gotta do this now. I should have did this in the first fucking place. Alright, but I'll get back with y'all here in a second. Well, I don't know why her exhaust is so damn hard to get off, but we are trying.
Now, I know this part. Saw that?
Motor.
Well, since we don't have an AC machine, you gotta do it the fun way.
You do, but I don't know how to use it.
But yes, so I already took off the radiator fan. Y'all saw that earlier. I took off everything that's right here and the fucking blower. That fan was a bitch. Hey, fun fact. Did you know the radiator fan has 8 bolts bolted to it for the lines from the heat exchanger and all the other shit that's running through there? So like, you know, like on the GA, you could pop, 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 pull it straight out. Not this. It took me 2 hours to get this undone.
This was a crap black, dude.
Look here, dog. But yeah, so.
Because it's high price, we'll need to see
Let's see how this goes in a minute. Alright guys, so we got the drop shaft out earlier, which I mean I wish I would have had that on camera because it whacked the hell out of me. But we just dropped the headers so we could get to the knock sensors since they so freaking close up there. I'm finna drop the starter, got the coil packs off so I could get to the freaking header bolts, but we're finna try to get this thing out tonight. We're gonna start dropping the cradle onto the jack stand so we can see what's all connected and go back up and take it apart and, you know, trial and error. But we'll get back with y'all. All right, y'all, so we got most of everything up here disassembled, even like the harness and stuff. So we about to take off the control arms and then the shocks. What he doing right now is undoing the subframe right here on the two fronts, and then I'm gonna finish off the trans, and then these two back here. Here, I'll show you. Oh, so he's over there doing that, and I'm gonna do these, and then I'm gonna finish off the ones back here. Oh, I think if I can see right there. Well, you see the cars up here, engine still sitting there. Oh, so it's basically coming apart now. See how we got it? Go up. Yeah. Oh. Jesus, man, as much freaking bro. This is a Mercedes or a freaking Audi or BMW because they over-engineered this. There was no reason why. There's no reason why this should have been as hard as it was. Let me drop it on the lock. Well, it's apart. Thanks to this man. whole lot of them. So yeah, so this is day 2. Oh, I guess technically this would be day 3, but this is day 2 of it being in the shop on the lift and stuff. So now, the best part is yet to come to figure out what the hell Jazz did. I mean, ain't no holes in it. So then we got to figure out how to get it off of the back of the engine. So we about to clean up and go end this video. So holla.
5 an hour job, 150.
Well, we got the cradle back in.
He said we.
The
You got a mouse in your pocket.
the motor back over there.
You must be French, right?
I don't know what Ron's doing. I guess he putting the steering rack back in.
Yes,
Stop recording me. I did not give you consent.
Consent these. But yeah, so we're just trying to get it back rolling so we can get it back into the shop.
Said we again, dude.
All right.
You're going to end up taking the block back out to rebuild it to make that much power anyway.
Well, so suspension's back in,
I can't wait to get
cradle's back in.
You know I'm gonna need an engine man for this, right?
Well, I know a guy that can help.
Got to.
So
And then it might be for sale.
we gonna be almost ready to put it back in the shop tomorrow. So
But I convinced him I'm not putting that in. Because if my name's on this build, I don't want shit to happen.
see, that's why I love this black guy. He always there to help me. And then this Asian guy.
Hey, Tiny, check my nail, man.
Well, and then we finna just push this damn frame underneath it.
No, London about to push this shit.
Okay.
London, get your manual and push it over here.
Hey, ain't this my job right here? Oh shit. All right, well, we're about to clean up for day, I guess it's technically day 4.
We did as much as we need to.
It's 3 here and then 1 in Lancaster at Jazz House. So finna get this stuff done and Well, the camera's upside down. Can't use that. Well.
Yeah, we did, like I said, fucking top fuel hoops, fucking
Oh, wait. Can't be hearing this stuff.
all copper gaskets, like everything.
Welcome to London's extreming ADD, fucking pulling out of Cadillacs out the shop. Part 1.
It's the swole guy. Flex form.
AKA London likes free labor. Just wait till I get London on free labor.
I told you. I said, bring in your boy that got the vet and shit when we doing the motor shit.
Oh, the panel shit?
Yeah, that too. But we about to get this thing down. Well, actually, you gotta get that.
We about to get it. I like how you keep using that. You got nothing.
Hey, but look, that's we right there. We. But hey, you wanna?
You didn't even pull the locker.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
I promise you, I did.
No, you did, because my side went down, your side didn't. We don't yank it like strong.
I literally did that. Oh, you see what I gotta deal with, bro? When we was dropping the truck right here, bro, had to hear his mouth the whole goddamn time, bro. That was some work.
Hey, so if I did the conversion with the sensors, would I be able to install the wiring in there and it'll link up?
V over here looking like a 4x4. Why? Look. Oh well. What's up, y'all? Me and King and Justin shot. Jesus. I don't know why I can't talk today, but it's raining. King is just acting like he ain't never been here before. I don't know what's up with him, but yeah. We need to figure out what's up with Jazz car. So now I got to figure out how to move this. I guess it's on dollars. Okay, cool. And then I got to get hers out, move it over here somewhere where I can have some space and start knocking it out. But yeah, here we go. All right, so I got the area cleared some. King, go back. Sit down. Lord have mercy. He just want to be petted. But yeah, so got it cleaned up. Got the mount on, so I'm about to pick it up and move it somewhere and figure that out here in a second. So I'll get right back with y'all. All right, so now I got it rigged up just so I can get the trans pan off, get the rest of the fluid out of it. And then I'm gonna get the heads off, and then we're gonna try to flip it upside down and get the oil pan off. And then we're gonna try to disconnect the rods so we can loosen up the crank and we'll be able to spin it. So let me get to it. All right, y'all, so now I drained the trans fluid out. I just put the pan back on. So I drained the trans fluid out. I'm taking the valve covers off. Those rocker arms are loose. So I'm trying to loosen up these. I just really wanted to see if they had some extensive amount of play in these. Maybe it broke something, but up top, but we'll see. So I'm finna get these rockers off so I can then get the heads off. Well, guys, I found the problem. Look at this. And they both messed up. So this is 7 and 8. So yeah. Woohoo! So let me see if I can spin the motor over now. Well, I'm done for today. I let my best friend borrow my Bic pack so I could get these main caps and stuff off. But yeah, I don't have it, so I don't have nothing to really hold this still and try to get this off. So yeah, I'm at mercy of him right now. So yeah, so that's my next step tomorrow, is get the caps off, try to get these rods to spin over, and yeah, I mean, hopefully it's gonna be in good shape. So all right, guys, well, that's till tomorrow, and I'll get with y'all later. All right, we're back. Justin actually cleaned up some Yeah, so I'm gonna have to get this AC compressor bracket off with this belt, but it's a stretch to fit belt. So in order for me to get to the main cap bolts back there, I'm gonna have to take that off. So yeah, so let's get started. All right, y'all, it's separated. Bro, the cornage on this thing is crazy, bro. Like, it's super duper crazy. Like, you see how shiny that crank is right there? And how shiny it's not down here? Bro, things got real hot, and I'm not understanding why it got so hot. So, but I got it to spin over, but the two rear journals, that's where the cornage is. So I'm finna get as far as I can today. I'm gonna go do DoorDash. I'm off today. I was off yesterday, but yesterday I did DoorDash all day. So yeah, let me try to get some of this stuff done as fast as I can. And we'll go from there. And I think this guy's gonna do the outro for y'all. King, hey, tell them what you need them to do so we can buy you new toys and stuff. Okay. All right. Bro, I know. Okay. So let me translate that for them. Okay. Hold on. No, hold on. Wait. Hey. Oh, I'm in my room, y'all. It's messy. So I'm a boy. I'm a man, not a boy. Okay. So King said, can y'all please like, share, subscribe, and comment and tell everybody? Because he wants new toys. We need new toys. So thank y'all, guys. See y'all later.